we are going to discuss about marquee tools in Photoshop. Okay, in marquee tools we have four types of tools: rectangle marquee tool, elliptical marquee tool, single row and single column. Okay, we will see one by one. In this video specifically I am going to discuss about rectangular marquee tool. Okay, in workspace, if you bring the toolbar, so this is the rectangle marquee tool. I hovered on it, you could able to see the name rectangle marquee. If you click a right click on it, you could able to see remaining tools also: rectangle, elliptical, single row and single column. Okay, just put an yes. Okay, now just set this option. These are the options for rectangle marquee tool. Okay, I am taking a new document. Feather is 0, style is normal, a new selection. If you hover, you could able to see. Now I am taking a new selection. I have selected this area. If I need to fill this color in the selected area, just click Alt backspace. By clicking Alt backspace, you can give the foreground color of the selected area. Okay, that's it. Now if you want to deselect the area, click Ctrl T. It is deselected, right? Now we are going to see another option, that is add to selection. It means whatever the selected area is there, for selected area, if you want to add one more selection, by choosing this option you can add it. Means I will show you. I have added, right? If I will fill the color again, Alt backspace, see, I have added, right? So this is the add selection option. Now again do Ctrl D. Okay, if you want to come back, use Ctrl Alt Z. Okay, now again I am setting the area. Now if you want to see subtraction, I mean see here, yeah, subtract from selection. Okay, I want to subtract this specific corner from the selected area. See, I have subtracted. Now let's fill the color. Alt backspace. See, now Ctrl D, deselect the area. Okay, now again I am getting back. Ctrl Z, Ctrl Alt and Z. Okay, now intersect, right? So this is a selection, and I am giving one more selection. This particular part I will get. This is intersect area. Okay, Alt backspace, Ctrl T. Okay, see, now when I am selecting, you could able to see a sharp edged corners, right? Now if I increase the feather to 10 pixels, I am increasing. Okay, now you could able to see, observe rounded corner, right? Okay, for our convenience I will increase feather more. I am giving 30 this time. Enter. See, rounded spaces how came. rounded edges how came. Okay, Control Z. Now this is the style, means whatever the area we selected up to now, for that one I am not measuring, there is no calculation, right? I can set any area, any item. But if you put style here, fixed ratio, you can give the ratio. Width is 6, height is 2. It means a 6:2 ratio. Means always width is greater than height. See, it means width is greater than height 3 times anywhere. See, height. Why? Because 6:2 ratio. Okay, fine. And the last option is fixed size. Fixed size means if you give here only that I mean whenever you select, it will give the particular height and width 100 pixel, height 50. Now I am removing this feather, increasing the height to 500 and width to 1000. Okay, see, it is increased, right? So this is a fixed pixel, 1000 pixel width, 500 pixel height. So this is the options. Now we will see one practical example how we use in while creating any images or any graphic designs, how we use. To see that one, I have taken one sample image. Okay, by using Marquee tool, rectangle Marquee tool, I am selecting the area up to what extent I need. Okay, right? Now I am doing Control C. Okay, now Control V. Observe here, you got a layer, right? By using move to see here, you got this, right? So I am showing you, I will clear up all this one. I am using Control Alt Z. Okay, I am reverting all back. Okay, okay. Now I will bring this image by using Alt to Nest tab. See here, okay. Now we can name it. What is the monument? It's a red fort. Okay, right? Understood, right? So in a image, whatever the specific area we need, we can select it. So if you want only this one, you can select Control C and Control V. You got this one. Now by using Alt, drag to next page. Okay, so this is purpose of Marquee, rectangle Marquee tool. We will see remaining Marquee tools in next videos. Okay, thank you all, thanks for watching.